So it's been a rare, actually, all right, take two. It's been a long journey, and I have a rare occasion to have a piece of salmon. I did study on YouTube, like how to do it, and I'm gonna follow basically what they did. And this is olive oil. You put some olive oil in the pan, and turn this up to like a medium high in a sense. And we're gonna let that warm up. And what I've got ready for everything going on is some basil, a little bit of basil, some black pepper, some pink sea salt, and lemons, scallions, and mushrooms. I gotta cook those mushrooms. So we're gonna let this oil warm up, and I'm going to put this salmon down meat side first, not the skin. So I basically flooded the pan with olive oil, a decent brand, nothing too expensive. But now I'm going to put the meat side down in this, and it feels about right. I don't want it to really stick too bad. So I'm going to turn this down. Turn it down to about there. We're going to let that go for about 5 minutes. Just going to make sure this is really not sticking to the pan, because that is not what I want. Put that out there. It's pretty good. That temperature drop is nice. I'm going to let that go. But I am going to season the skin side with these three. I already used these seasonings on the skin side, and I will cover this to make the process go a little bit more and keep the juices in. And once we flip it over, we're going for that. And I also have garlic with a garlic press. So here we are, we're in right now. You can kind of see like you can see the cookedness like halfway through at this point. So I've got my headband on for this one, and here we go. Hopefully it's adjusted correctly, and I think I'm gonna flip this. Oops, that's a lot of oil. Right about there. And then I'm putting more of these spices on. Do some basil. Do some black pepper. And a little bit of salt. I don't usually use a whole lot of salt, but I'll just dust it real quick. And now I'm going to throw all this in. I might turn the heat up a little. No, I think I'll keep the heat the way it is. These lemons go in kind of last. Got scallions and mushrooms. And what I'm going to do is use the lid for like more heat once I get that on there. And yeah, I guess we'll put everything on there. I'm doing this, putting that on top, because this will be our final. Eat that. And we need some garlic in there. A little garlic on the side. And I'm definitely going to use this lemon up, for sure. With this other piece in there. There's that. Squeeze these lemons in. I'm going to save these two for the ending. Move these mushrooms around a little bit. Get them in that oil. Put the lid on. We're going to let it go for a while. Yeah, so at this point I'm gonna take the salmon out and let the mushrooms go a little bit longer. It's doing very well. I think the salmon's done. It's starting to flake right there. You see that? That looks pretty good. I'm gonna plate that and I'll let the mushrooms finish up. So there we go. I'm gonna put a little bit of chipotle, chipotle on just to give it a little sign of color. I'm gonna try the salmon right here. Very, very good. That came out great. All right, have a good one, folks.